Hello there everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your taskbar transparent or translucent. So we head to the Microsoft Store and search for translucent TB, which is an app, a utility app to be precise, for that task. So we go ahead and click on get, and I'll take my time for it to download right away. So I'll speed it up a bit so that it finishes very fast. Okay, so they say getting ready. So once you wait, you can check some images of how this looks like when you set it up on Windows. Okay, so it should be done in some few seconds. Okay, yes, so it's done. So we go ahead and open it, and now I can minimize this tab. So welcome to translucent TB. So from here, immediately you click continue, you are going to see that our taskbar has now been changed to a transparent one, which you can see only the apps but not the deep border line, which is normal on Windows. So to do this, you just have to go to your Microsoft Store, download the translucent TB app, and you are good to go.